Doge is at a critical support, but could be seeing moves down depending on what Bitcoin does in the next few days. Let's take a look. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. Today, I'm going to be going over DOGEUSD. Now, we're at a critical support level, as I said before, just after breaking out of a rising wedge pattern. So I'm going to be going into the technical analysis today, showing you what I see and how I'm making predictions on Doge. Let's get started. Right now, I'm looking at DOGEUSD on the TC top and bottom finder metric here. Now, this can be found on the tradeconfident.io website with many other metrics and membership benefits. So if you're interested in this amazing trading data, be sure to grab it at the link in the description. Now, this chart was last updated today, December 8th. You can see here we got a great sell signal that immediately ended up with the price falling. We also got 4 strong red bars here. This generally indicates strong selling pressure. We did get a sell signal earlier here, but it did not correlate quite yet to any red bars, but we got them right here with a sell signal that saw an immediate drop. Now, the price is meeting structure support at this midline here. We were above it for a good chunk of time, showing that the price was in an uptrend. However, we may be seeing a dip back down below that, indicating a downtrend, as you can see right here. Let's get a closer look at the 4-hour time frame. Right now, I'm looking at Dogecoincrash on the 4-hour time frame using the TC top and bottom finder, trend exhaustion, and price versus whale money flow indicators. Now, these indicators are absolutely crushing it and allowing us to make amazing, super accurate trades every single day. If you want access, links are in the description. I'll show you how to get access at the end of the video as well. Typically, when I'm doing my trades, I like to look at any sort of patterns that could be in the market. Structure supports, trading patterns themselves, structure resistances, everything like that is going to be super important. We're in a huge rising wedge pattern. A rising wedge is indicated by 2 ascending support and resistance lines that converge at some point. As you can see, these 2 lines are getting closer and closer together. This is what converging means. At some point, they will cross each other. On top of this, they are both ascending. The support line right here is ascending. The resistance line right here is ascending. And this is what actually makes a rising wedge pattern. The final criteria is that it starts from a downtrend. This is a bearish continuation pattern. You can see we actually already broke out to the downside, but a rising wedge pattern requires that it starts from a downtrend, and that's exactly what we got. We've actually seen a few of these patterns across the crypto market recently. Again, a rising wedge pattern is a bearish continuation pattern. Bearish continuation means it's going to start from a downtrend and end in a downtrend. And as you can see right here, we have ended in a downtrend. At this point, we've met structure support at 9.571 cents at this green support line right here. And we have decent structure support at 8.46 cents and 7.1 cents. We do have structure resistance at 10.6 cents, but I do not expect we're going to reach that again anytime soon. Now, another thing we have here is a trend down in price right here. We have a trend down in the trend exhaustion itself, and we have a huge trend down in the price versus whale money flow. Overall, this means money is moving like crazy out of Dogecoin. With this, we can expect that the price is going to continue falling. Now, the trend exhaustion is actually getting pretty close to the top of its territories. The inner red zone right here means that we could be seeing a move down soon. The top red area means that we're very likely to see a move down soon. And the higher up you are, the more likely it is that the trend is exhausted and ready to move back down. The interesting thing, though, is when we see the trend is almost exhausted right at structure support, this typically means we're actually going to break down out of the structure support. If we get a closer look here, let me zoom in. We hit structure support and were rejected and moved back up a little bit. But again, the trend is exhausted. And as you can see, the current structure on the trend exhaustion is very close to meeting that structure resistance on the trend exhaustion. I expect we'll probably hit about that point and move straight back down, likely breaking out of the structure support right here at 9.571 cents. Now, typically after structure support breaks out, the next place the price is going to go is literally just to the next structure support. Now, getting a closer look at the 4-hour time frame, we can actually see that there is decent structure support right about here. you can see it bounced up here, and it was actually used to structure resistance right here, and is actually the very bottom of the candle touch here. So if this does break down, the next place we're going to be looking at is 9.3 cents. However, I do expect it could actually move down even further. The main reason for this is Bitcoin's about to test this structure resistance and could see a move back down to its own structure support at 16,850. If this does happen, I expect Doge will see a larger move down. Now, if you haven't seen Travis's video today, check it out. It is really, really helpful. It'll tell you exactly why and go into much more detail of why Bitcoin's actually expecting a move down soon. Now, if you want to get access to these trading indicators that are helping us call the markets like crazy, what you're going to want to do is, again, is click the link in the description and it'll bring you to this page right here. The indicators are sold separately from the $75 a month membership, but no matter what you purchase, it's going to be lifetime access for a one-time payment and you get full dedicated email support. So this is actually a one-time purchase here. The best possible deal you can get is purchasing the bundle pack first. It'll come with the price versus one money flow and trend exhaustion indicators, along with a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder and TC market reversal indicators you saw me use in this video. This means you can get all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators for less than the price of just these two alone. Again, it's lifetime access for one-time payment and full dedicated email support. So if you ever have any questions, feel free to email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. With that, thanks so much for watching, guys. We really, really appreciate it. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis every single weekday. With that, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.